Yo, what's good YouTube? How everybody doing? I'm back with another video. I know things look a little different this time. I got the ambient lights installed. Took me forever, but I finally made that choice to get it. I've been wanting to get it for like mad long now, but I finally got them done last week Tuesday. No, not Tuesday, Thursday. So now I was like, let me wait till nighttime and when I'm not busy to make a video for you guys. I appreciate all y'all for the support y'all been showing the channel. It really means a lot. And so I'm gonna do a quick little POV with the lights. You know, it looks cool right now, I ain't gonna lie, cause it's nighttime. It looks cool in the daytime too, but at night it look even better. Not gonna lie. Glad I finally get these lights done, yo. I got them red right now. It could change any color. Sometimes I go blue, sometimes I go purple and red. I think those are like my three favorite colors: blue, purple, and red. And maybe teal. Blue, purple, red, and teal. Those are the colors I mainly use. So I could definitely like play around with it. I'm gonna show y'all a different color later. So right now I just have it on red. It's really nice to have, I'm not gonna lie. While I'm doing a little quick drive video. It's really cold, so I'm not going to be out here for too long. I want to go back in my home and rest. But for you guys, I'm going to be out here making a video in the cold, but it don't matter. We're going to thug it out. But I like driving at night though, I'm not going to lie. It's a vibe. It's hell of a vibe driving at night. It's way better than driving in day. So that's two things I done to my car: the tints and the ambient lighting. Two things I got done so far. What's next? I know I said exhaust tips, but that's gonna have to wait. I want to make sure that I'm really certain that I want to get that, but I might get it, to be honest, but we'll see. Because I have to see like which one that I want to get. I don't want nothing too loud because, come on, yo, that would just be obnoxious. I want something, you know, that sounds right, you know what I'm saying? It don't gotta be too loud, it just gotta sound right. That's all I'm looking for. I know some people, they just got they fucking exhaust loud as shit for no reason, and I'm not trying to be like that. I'm not trying to annoy everybody. But y'all see I got it on blue now. Change the color. Oh, they also did the door handle too. They was kind enough to put lights there for me. yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I was excited when I got them. I still am. What is going on behind me? Just gonna let that person go. They are in a rush somewhere. I wonder where they going. They got, I mean, they gotta use the bathroom, yo. That's why they going so fast. Wait, I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be out here though. Time is 8:30. I don't want to be out here for too long. Like I said, also got things to do. Got some assignments to catch up on. And I know I said I'm gonna be more consistent with these videos, but I've been really busy. I've been trying though, but I've been busy. But here and there I will be posting. I'll make sure of it. Because I remember my first video I made, and I said I was gonna keep posting more of these types of videos, so I'm a man of my word. I'm gonna keep doing it, and plus, like, any changes I do to the car, I'm gonna show y'all as well. Yeah, I'm so, like, every time I make a video like this, I don't know, it makes me happy, not gonna lie. It makes me happy making another video. And I'm gonna keep doing it, yo. Not gonna lie. I'm not gonna stop. Whenever I get time, I'm just gonna post a video. But yeah, where the fuck am I going though? Let me start heading back before I end up in somewhere I don't want to be. But I hope y'all enjoyed that little quick POV video. There will be more coming up very soon. Just wait. Just hold on. Every chance I get, I'm gonna make sure I post. So yeah, I hope y'all have a great night. I appreciate y'all a lot. Peace.